Ah, the sound of water filling up the base of your shower. Came back and noticed the leak, that this is wet. So what I need to do now is come over here, get the rest of this out, or simply come in here and just fill it with epoxy cement. If I scrape, not a big deal, it's all cement. Not over here it's going through. Definitely a leak, as you can see. There's the water. Not a pipe, because the drain is covered. I want to fill it up a little higher. Can the water come in from this area here and over here? I think so, not over here. Let's get the borescope looking straight ahead. Maybe we could see something. And where the water is dripping. The thing is, I could take the borescope and point down, and there is all my water right there leaking. Alright, the grout needed to dry to get to the right color. I laid it on a little thick, and I could put lines and tape and make a perfect line for you. It needs to dry. As you can see, it's starting to dry. It gets light in different areas. It just takes time to dry, as you can see there. I'm not perfect. I could clean it up with the razor blade and so forth. I use mildew spray. All it is Clorox, nothing more. And I use epoxy cement. Did a good job on it, so this way the water would never run. Again, it'll stay inside. Now I need to put a 1x3, they're not 2x4s, and put it down below. I could put pieces this way to tie it in and lock it down. I need to drill some anchor supports, one there and one there into the ground. I still need to clean up in here. I don't know if it looks wet back there, but that's where my epoxy cement is at. And I need to put a piece of wood straight across on the bottom, tie it into this, and tie them down. All this wood is old and dried out. Well, there you have it. Part 2 of the update. Watch, prepare, finish. And then clean up, put everything back. I got all my cleaners, everything I need to do my job. I'll see you on the next part of the project. Later.